Hey gems, welcome back to my channel. As you can see by the title, today I'm going to be trying out a clay mask recipe by GreenBeauty. Change of plans. In this video, I'm actually only going to show you guys how I make and use my Black African soap rice water shampoo, and the clay mask will be in the next video. Also going to be washing my hair with my DIY rice water shampoo. I think I'm going to make a video on how I made this as well. But as you can see, my hair is a mess. It's dry, it's been shedding a lot, and I have not been taking care of it because I've been busy and tired. But I'm going to start by detangling my hair just so that I can give myself less work when applying the clay mask. And I'm going to detangle my hair with this Obia natural detangling conditioner and of course water and my handy dandy detangling brush. I'm going to detangle my hair first and I'll be right back. So first, let me show you guys how I made the African black soap rice water shampoo. I started by boiling some organic basmati rice in too much water, so I did more water than you would use if you were just cooking rice. From my understanding, you can use any type of rice. If I'm wrong, please correct me. And I used the raw African black soap. If your black soap actually looked the color black, like charcoal black, it's not the right black soap. Your black soap should have a brown or even a tan color, and it should be a little soft to where you can dig something into it, like how I'm digging the spoon into it. I also heated my rice water a little bit so that the soap can melt in the rice water faster. So here I have my African black soap in a bowl and I'm pouring the rice water over it. And I'm just basically gonna stir it and kind of break up the pieces into smaller pieces so that it can melt in the water. That's another thing. If your black soap cannot melt in liquid or turn to liquid after being out or sitting in some type of liquid for a while, it's not the right black soap. So this is what I have after about an hour of it sitting. And as you can see, all of the big pieces has dissolved and I just have a few small pieces, and this is after about another 10 minutes. So now I am pouring my content in a measuring cup and then transferring it into a squeeze bottle. So here I'm adding some lavender essential oil and some peppermint essential oil, and you can add any type of oil you want. And I'm just gonna shake it, and that's about it. Okay, so I'm finished detangling my hair, and I also rinsed out the conditioner because I don't want it to be like a barrier between the, shampoo and my hair. So now let's get started. From here on out, I'm not gonna talk more. Just let's see how this all comes out. Because this is the first time I'm using this rice water shampoo, by the way, so y'all about to find out with me just how good it is. Let's get into it. First, I just want to say, please excuse my voice. I was a little under the weather while recording this, but here you see I'm just applying the shampoo directly to my scalp, and look how much sud is coming out of this. Like, I don't even have to apply a lot, and it's so easy to slide the shampoo down my hair shaft. I was actually really shocked with the results. I would say that I did use a good bit of the African black soap as opposed to the amount of rice water I use, so feel free to use less of the African black soap. However, I do love the potency of this shampoo. And again, I'm just applying it directly to my scalp because when I wash my hair, that is where I want to focus on, getting my scalp clean. And as I massage my scalp, I slide the shampoo down my hair shaft, and it was great. It actually had a lot of slip, a lot of slip.
Also, I just want to note that at the end of this video, I do mention how I would make this shampoo better by adding some oils like jojoba oil or olive oil or avocado oil, whatever type of plain hair oil you'd like to use. And I actually did, before I used this shampoo the second time, which was about a week ago, I added some avocado oil into the shampoo, and oh my gosh, it made it even better. Like when I rinsed out the shampoo, my hair was so soft. It was like clean and soft. Excuse the noise in the background. I am home in the Virgin Islands right now, and it's almost impossible to find a quiet area to record this. But anyways, I'm going to stop running my mouth and you guys can enjoy the rest of the video. Real quick, I also wanted to tell you guys why rice water has become so popular in the natural hair community. According to GreenBeauty, rice water has actually been used in Japan and China for centuries as a growth and strengthening aid. And some of the benefits are it increases your hair elasticity, which will help define your curls. And it also helps your hair become nice and smooth, which avoids knots and tangles. So it basically decreases your hair friction. So if you guys are interested, please check out her video that she did on rice water. She can get more into details on the science behind it and why it does what it does to your hair. So yeah, link in the description box.
I was gonna make this one whole video, but I'm gonna have to make a video about this on its own, which is gonna be this video. So you guys just saw how much it took to get all of that stuff. I thought I was gonna have to use this whole thing. I'm like shocked. I have a whole nother like cup and a half of this downstairs because I thought I was making enough so my fiance can use it too, but this is gonna last me for a while. I'm gonna have to keep it in the fridge. But I'm shocked myself. There's been a rave about how great rice water is for your hair lately. I've seen a whole bunch of YouTubers try it, and I was like, rice water? Then I watched GreenBeauty, and she went through like how rice water works and how to make it and all of that stuff. And I was like, I wonder if I can make a shampoo out of this with black soap. And I did. This is it right here. And y'all just saw. My hair is all soapy, sudsy, and it's so slip. Like, this has so much slip to it. I could damn near detangle my hair with it. I didn't have to detangle first. And if I knew that, I wouldn't have detangled first because I'm all about saving time. But I'm gonna need one of y'all to try this out and let me know if y'all feel the same way about it, because it really worked. Like, I'm shocked. This was my first time using it and it works. I think that's gonna be my go-to shampoo until it's finished. Anyways, I'm about to rinse this out and then I'm gonna show you guys how my hair looks once I rinse it out. So, I know I look crazy, but I just rinsed the shampoo out my hair. And just a few pointers if you do decide to make this, because I'm gonna be honest, not just because I make something, I'm gonna rave about it. One, if you saw how much black soap I used, you can use much less because this is very strong, very, very strong. However, the rice water, I guess, gives it that like slippery element to it when it's in your hair. Two, this is not a moisturizing shampoo. I mean, my hair don't feel like crazy hard and like stripped, but it feels squeaky clean. This is more like a clarifying shampoo because my hair feels so clean. Like, my hair feels like how a sulfate shampoo would feel. only. This is sulfate free. So yeah, this would definitely be a good clarifying shampoo. And what else? I think that's about it. I actually really love it though. I also dropped like essential oils in it. And I could feel like the little tingling sensation on my scalp from the peppermint oil. I love that. So yeah, this is a win in my book. And like I said, I'm gonna keep using it. See if I see a difference in my hair. However, I wouldn't use it on a weekly basis because like I said, this is more of like a clarifying shampoo to use like maybe once a month or every 2 weeks, not on a weekly or every 3-day basis. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I don't know if you guys can see, but my hair is super clean, super clean, and it feels squeaky clean. Another thing, oh yeah, I remember. Another thing is I would add some oils to this mixture, like some light oils, maybe like some jojoba oil or almond oil or avocado oil or something, just to give it a slightly more moisturizing element to it. And I think that would make this an even better shampoo. Because right now, like I said, my hair is like, it's squeaky clean. Like, I don't even know how else to describe it. But I think if I add oils to it, yeah, I would still get that squeaky clean effect, that clarifying effect, as long as with a little bit of moisture in it. But overall, I love it. And like I said, I'm gonna add some oils to this mixture and continue to use it. I might even do like a follow-up review after my bottle gets down some, because this was full and this is all I used to wash my hair. So I know it's gonna last me. Plus I have more downstairs, so I know it's gonna last me a long time. But yeah, I really want somebody, please just try it and let me know how it works with your hair. I just want to know if somebody else feels the same way, because I was shocked that this actually works. I was literally just trying something and I turned out to love it. I don't know, I didn't expect to love it so much, and now that I tried it, I know what I would do to even make it better. So try it out. I know I never use measurements, but just guide based on what you feel your hair needs. What my hair needs is not the same thing your hair may need. So you can use less rice water, more rice water, but I do recommend using less black soap than what I use, because I put a lot in there, and as you can see, this is very strong. Like, just a little drop got me a lot of suds, and I haven't washed my hair in 2 weeks, so you know. Usually when your hair is really dirty, it takes maybe 1 or 2 shampoos to get the suds like what I got on my first try. But if you want a real potent shampoo, by all means do that. However, I know I can stretch this even more if I add some more elements to it. But yeah, that's my rice water shampoo. I do hope you guys try it out and let me know if it works for you. Like I said, feel free to add a few oils in it, some more essential oils, use less black soap or more rice water, whatever you guys want to do. And I'm about to follow this up with a hair mask, a clay mask, I should say. And if you want to see how I made that and use it, check out my next video. I was going to make this one big video, but this is a lot. So I'm just going to break it up. So I hope you guys enjoy. I know I look crazy. I hate ending the video looking crazy, but this is all this video is going to entail. So like I said, check out my next video to see how I use the clay mask. And I will see you guys next time in my next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Please subscribe. my goal is to grow my channel, and I'm trying to be more consistent with videos. So please subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to reach 500 subscribers. I know that sounds mediocre compared to other YouTubers y'all probably watch with like 500,000 subscribers, but you know, little old me trying to work my way up. So my goal is 500 subscribers, then it will be 1,000, and then maybe 5,000, then 10,000, you know, keep climbing up. But yeah, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.